Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia, 60-1A. Be one load around 8:45 for an August the 19th through 25th delivery. Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia. Mike Coggins and family. Andrew Conley, the manager. Blackwater cattle, 60-1B. Be the second load of Bring Us sired steers. Around 7:35, 7:40 at delivery. Blackwater cattle, 60-1A, 60-1B. We have a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame, Bring Us sired steers. Blackwater Cattle Company, Lake Park, Georgia. Mike Coggins and family. Blackwater cattle, one of the premier Bring Us breeders in the southeast. Sell 200 plus bulls every November. Really paid attention to the carcass traits. A lot of these bulls that sired these calves have ribeyes from 14.5 to 18.5. Also have IMFs 5 to 7. From top genetics in the Bring Us breed, Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia. 60-1A, be one load around 8:45. 60-1B, will be one load around 7:35, 7:45. August the 19th through 25th delivery. Really a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame, Bring Us sired steers. Sired by Blackwater Bring Us bulls. Real docile. You see them standing out here in the sun with me. Blackwater cattle, 60-1A, 60-1B. Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia, 60-1A, 60-1B. Again, sired by Blackwater Bring Us bulls. Blackwater cattle, 60-1A, 60-1B. Again, a lot of carcass information on the Bring Us bulls, having 14.5 to 18.5 ribeyes, IMS from 5.0 to 7.0, so there'll be some choice cattle. Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia. Blackwater cattle, Lake Park, Georgia, 60-1A, 60-1B.